FastGrowingTrees.com is the easiest way possible to shop and buy over 2,000 trees, plants, and shrubs. Best of all, you can do it from the comfort of your home. Go to FastGrowingTrees.com. They curate plant selections specifically for your area. You can search for what you like by category. Privacy trees, flowering trees, or fruit trees. Our neighbors have been a little nosy lately. Some privacy trees could do the trick. The trees ship in 1 to 2 days, packed safely and securely.
FastGrowingTrees.com makes planting so easy, anyone can do it. And there's even a 30-day Alive and Thrive guarantee.
FastGrowingTrees.com does everything they can to ensure you're successful, from detailed planting instructions to tips on how to care for your trees. If you ever have any questions, their plant experts are a phone call away. No stressful trip to a local garden center and no messy car. Go to FastGrowingTrees.com and order today.